Do you need to create videos but are running out of ideas? Are you sitting on a tight deadline to finish your video project? Don't worry, we have got the perfect solution for you. Hello everyone, this is Joe from Team Animaker. In this video, you will learn how to use the 1000+ templates present inside Animaker to create stunning videos in matter of minutes. Click on the link in the description to reach the website of Animaker. Now click on the create option and sign up for a new account. You'll be directed to the Moments page of Animaker. On the top, you can see the different categories of templates like intros and outros, explainer, photo videos, and so on. You can also use the search option to find a specific template. To have a preview of a template, click on the preview option over it. For instance, I want to create an explainer video for my business. So I'm going to open this template over here. To edit it, click on the Use option. You are looking at the interface of Animaker. On the right hand side is the Scenes section. Scenes are similar to what we call slides in a presentation. As the multiple slides combine to form a presentation, several scenes combine to form a video. On the left you have the library, which consists of all the elements like animated characters, images, videos, music tracks, and everything else you require to create your video. On the bottom we have the timeline. Within that we have three different timelines, starting from animation timeline, then we have the video timeline, and finally we have the camera timeline. In the center is the workspace, so here's where you will bring in all your elements like characters, text, images, etc. and you will be creating your video. Let's edit the template. Let's start with editing the text. To edit text, click on the text in the workspace and start typing in the new text. On the right hand side is the settings tab, where you have options to edit the text. You can change the font style, size, color, and even transparency. With the text selected in the timeline, you can notice a purple colored bar. It represents the duration for which this text is going to be visible. If you want the text to be visible only between specific duration, you can do that by adjusting this purple bar. Right now you can notice that this bar is visible only after the first second, right? So the text will be visible after the first second in the video. Let's have a preview of this. To have a preview of a scene, click on the preview option above the timeline. You would have noticed an animation effect while the text appeared, right? So this animation effect is represented by this pink colored part in the timeline. If you want the animation effect to appear for a longer time, you can extend this pink colored part or reduce its length to make it appear quick. And if you want to change or apply a new animation effect, go to the settings tab on the right side, and at the bottom of it we have two options named Enter Effect and Exit Effect. To apply or change the Enter Animation Effect, click on the Enter Effect option. Now you will have further set of options to choose from. So using these Enter and Exit Effect options, you can apply animation effects to text or any other element present in your video. Let's see how to customize the character. Click on the character. On the right side you can see the Actions tab. It consists of more than 500+ different actions that can be applied to the character. If you want to change the current action, then search for new action in the Actions tab and click on it to apply. Along with the actions, you can also find the Expressions tab adjacent to it, which lets you add 20+ different expressions to the character. If you want to change the character altogether, just click on the character, and along with the character you can see a bunch of options appearing. This is called the item menu, and within the item menu you have an option named Swap. Click on it and select the new character that you want to replace the old one with. In case if you want to create a custom character, switch to the My Characters section in the library and click on the Create Your Own option. It will open the character builder of Animaker. Now from here you can create your own custom character. Select the gender and the basic template to begin with. You can change every body part and variables of the character. Using all these options, literally you can create billions of unique characters. Once the character is created, click on the Save option at the top. Now get back to the My Character section of your project to find your newly created character over there. Just like before, use the Swap option and replace the old character with this newly created character. If you want to increase or decrease the duration of a scene, go to the timeline, and here you can notice a plus and a minus icon. Clicking on these icons will increase and decrease the duration of a scene by 1 second respectively. If you want to create a new scene, go to the scene section on the right side, and within the current scene you have an option called Add Scene. Click on it. In case if you want to duplicate the current scene and edit over it, click on the duplicate scene option. You can also delete a scene using the delete scene option over here. Now you know how to successfully customize a scene in the template. In the same way, go to each of the scenes, edit the text, customize the character and complete your video. I have completed editing all the scenes. Let's see how to edit the music track in the template. Switch to the video and audio timeline and here you can find the music track. If you further click on the music track, you will find a few more options. You can have a preview of the music track, control its volume, trim it, duplicate it and delete it. In case you want to add a different track, delete the current one using the delete option. Now go to the music section in the library where you have more than 30,000 plus copyright free music tracks. To have a preview of a track, just keep the pointer over it. To use a track, just click on it. Once you have done making all these changes, to have a preview of all the scenes together, click on the preview option at the top. To download the video, click on the publish option followed by selecting download video and then download. That's it. Now you know how to edit an Animaker template and create your video. So what are you waiting for? Start creating your video right now.